Okay, now chemistry paper 2. As you know, chapter 8 is D and F block elements. D and F block elements. I am going to deal some important questions in paper 2. Please at least prepare these questions. In D and F block elements, the most important question, write a short note on lanthanoid contraction. Write a short note on lanthanoid contraction and its important effects. Please expect this question. Short note on lanthanoid contraction and its effects. Very important question. One more question. Distinguish between lanthanoids and actinoids. Distinguish between lanthanoids and actinoids. Apart from preparation of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, please do these two important questions. The lanthanoid contraction and distinguish between lanthanoid and actinoids. The next chapter, coordination compounds. Only focus on IUPAC names and isomerisms. So please remember IUPAC name of coordination compound, isomerisms in coordination compound, especially objectives, applications of coordination compound. They are going to ask perhaps for 2 marks, applications. So go through all the applications of coordination compounds. IUPAC name, isomerism and applications of coordination compounds. One more important question, EAN rule. Please remember, they can ask short note on EAN rule. The lengthiest chapter, HDA, the 10th chapter. Do all the preparations and reactions. Apart from preparations and reactions, you do distinguish between SN1 and SN2. 2 marks, for 2 marks they can ask, distinguish between SN1 and SN2. They can ask mechanism of SN1 or SN2 for 3 to 4 marks. Please remember mechanism of SN1 or SN2. So these are 2 important questions. Mechanism and distinguish of SN1 and SN2. Do all the definitions also. Optical activity, stereoisomers, enantiomers. All the definitions also you do in HDA. The next chapter in alcohol and phenol and ether. Once again, do all the preparations and reactions. Once again, in the chapter named alcohol, phenol and ether, do all the preparations and reactions. They can ask the give reason. Why are alcohol soluble in water? So please do that. The give reason, alcohols are soluble in water. The next chapter, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Once again, as usual, do all the preparations and reactions. Apart from preparations and reactions, you learn aldol condensation, very important. Aldol condensation, ALDOL, aldol condensation, and very important, Cannizzaro reaction. So please do this too, aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. Apart from preparations and reactions. In compounds containing nitrogen, please remember, apart from preparations and reactions, you remember the action of nitric acid on nitroalkane, action of nitric acid on primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Very important. So please remember action of nitric acid apart from preparations and reactions. For biomolecules, please remember few important questions. Classification of carbohydrates. Please remember classification of carbohydrates. One more important question, classification of proteins. How is protein formed, or how is peptide linkage formed? Very important question. What is Zwitter ion? Zwitter ion is also one important question for 2 marks. Zwitter ion, I-O-N, Zwitter ion. From polymers, please remember the preparation of 3 fibers. Usually they ask from these 3 fibers. Nylon 6, nylon 6,6 and terene fiber, polyester fiber. So please remember preparation of nylon 6, nylon 6,6 and terene fiber, that is polyester fiber. From chemistry in everyday life, they can ask for 1 or 2 marks, especially they will ask the structures. The only reaction is the preparation of aspirin. So get hold upon that preparation of aspirin, A-S-P-I-R-I-N, aspirin, and then they can ask structure of various important compounds. So please draw all the structures. So this is all about chemistry paper 2. I am wishing you all the best, all the success, grand success in your 12th standard, not only in chemistry but in all the subjects. Thanks a lot.